Hello, I'm Vasundhara from cloudanalogy. Salesforce has come up with a recent tool to drive loyalty to the business during the COVID-19 pandemic. This step by Salesforce has been taken to help those businesses which are selling through distribution channels. It will help to scale and leverage AI programs for rebate programs. It taps a customizable data model for rebate management to promote collaborations and visibility for the sales team. The rise of online shopping has threatened to push the supply chain on the verge of their breakage. Due to the pandemic, moreover, early at the time of the pandemic, Amazon was forced to moderate its inventory suppliers. The order volume of e-commerce has increased by 50% compared to the year 2019, and the shipment time for products like furniture has been doubled in March. In an overall estimate, US digital sales have taken a leap by 30%, accelerating the online shopping system by as much as 2 years. Since the rebate management launch, Salesforce has made a bet on some companies that fail to see their customers' incentive attainment. To bring this all to an end, rebate management has identified all the cross-sell opportunities along with account information on the platform of Salesforce Relationship Management. Hence, rebate management automates incentive programs with analytics enabling companies to analyze their rebate programs to gather upsell and offers.